Hi guys, how you doing? In today's video I'm going to change a tank bag on the Honda CB650R. So you need to excuse the bike, it's an absolute mess as you can see there. I haven't cleaned it for a week, but I have been using it for work. So anyway, I've had this little jivvy, however you pronounce it, tank bag for quite a while, and it served me well. It's just a tiny little bag, does the job. It's magnetic, so it just sticks onto the tank, and I've ridden all over Europe with this and never had any issues with it, and the tank, it's not scratched or marked or anything at all with it, so very pleased with the little bag on how it's performed. But I've just decided to get a slightly bigger bag, and also for security. I take the bike into Edinburgh a lot, and Edinburgh's full of thieving little bastards. If they don't steal your bike, they'll try and steal whatever's on it. So I thought this is easy for anybody to steal. If you're at the traffic lights, somebody just walks up, grabs that off you, and then make off. So if you've got anything valuable in there, it's not a good idea, especially if you're in Edinburgh. So I've decided to get rid of the bag and fit a tank bag that will mount onto the fuel tank. Now it take me a little while to try and work out what ring I should get, so hopefully the ring that I've ordered will fit it. So, tank bag, I ordered it yesterday, which was Saturday, from Sportsbikeshop, and it arrived today on Sunday. Now I've bought the bag and the adapter plate. So let's get the box opened up and see what bag I've ordered. That's the bag I've ordered there. It's the Oxford tank bag, 4R I think that says. So yeah, that's the bag I've ordered. It's the same bag as what Alex has got, so I like his bag, so I've ordered that. I just hope it doesn't look too big on the Honda. And also I've ordered the ring adapter for it, and that's a Type 7, so fingers crossed that'll fit. On the Oxford site and on the Sportsbikeshop site, it gives you templates for this. However, the Oxford site, the template was better. I'm sure it was Oxford site I got the template from, which was full size. So I printed out a template and tried it on a tank. I might actually still have it in here, so I'll show you that. So that's the ring adapter template there. It's Type 7. I printed it out to scale. It does say print out at A4 scale 1:1. So I've printed that out. I cut that out and just put it against the tank. Now this will only have 3 mounting holes, so I'm just hoping that it lines up there. On the template as well, it also gives you the sizes of the centre lines between the holes. So I've measured all that up, and fingers crossed that's right. It looks right, so we'll see how the ring adapter goes on. So to do the ring adapter, it looks like I've got these 3 little, I'll need to undo 3 of these little Allen bolts, and they are quite small, them. Probably a 3mm, 4mm. No, too small for 4. Probably a 3. Right, I'll go and dig out my my Allen bolts, my Allen sockets, and we'll get these undone. Now I've got my Allen keys here, and what do I reckon? It was a 3. What size is that? 3mm. Yeah, they're 3mm. So I want to undo this one and these two. Right, that's they 3 undone. Let's get the packet cracked open and see what we get in that. Right, let's open this. Try not to destroy it in case I need to send it back, and I've already ripped it. Let's see if we can get all this together. Tell you what, it might be easier if I put the screw through the rubber first. Some more fingers and thumbs. Right, that's same in there. That lines up. That lines up. That lines up. Right, that seems to be good. Now, is that a 3mm as well? No, it's smaller. Right, what's the next? What size down? 2.5. It seems to be fitting. Right, that's fitting on nicely. Right, that's same hand tight. So I'll just give it a little nip up. Right, that seems secure. Not going daft with these, just pinching it. Right, now with these old screws, I'll need to keep these somewhere safe, so what I'll do is I'll pop them in this little bag and put them beside the other bits and pieces that I've taken off the bike, so if I ever want to revert back to the, or get rid of this tank ring, I can put my old screws back in. So let's get a look at the bag now and see what that's all about. Right, that's us ready to put the bag together. So let's get this opened up and get a look at it. So it's Oxford Q4R quick release tank bag. So yeah, that looks fairly decent, and I'd imagine the bits and pieces will be inside it. Right, little instruction booklet, that's handy, and that must be what I'll have to screw on. So there must be a nut and washer in here. There we go. It's obviously sugared itself loose. Right, that obviously will go on down here. Right, so I want to attach this to here and bolt it on underneath. Seems fairly straightforward. Right, that's one in. Right, that's me attached the nuts and bolts together. So the Allen key size for that is it's 3mm for the Allen key, and nut on the back is 7mm. So that's the two together. Well, all three nuts and bolts. So we'll get this offered to the bike, and we'll see how it looks. Yeah, I quite like that. Right, now for the moment of truth. Let's see how it looks. Right, I need to work out how to click this on. That's it. Yep, that's it on. Obviously this bit here will go round the headstock if you wish. It might even come off. Yeah, that'll undo. So I'll probably undo this. Right, let's get seated on the bike and see how it looks, and make sure I can still see the screen and what have you. Right, let's get on the bike. I really need to tidy this garage up. It's an absolute tip. Right, that's me on the bike, and this is roughly at eye level, and yeah, I can still see the screen. Yeah, I can still see that, no problem at all. And I've got a nice big area here to put the phone in. At least hopefully my phone will fit in this one. It didn't fit in my last one. Obviously I can't see my my phone mount with it, but then if the phone's in here I won't need to. Right, let's find my phone, grab it, and we'll stick it in here. Right, that's me dug out the phone. Stuck it back in the tripod because I doubt I'll be able to do this one-handed. So let's see if the phone will fit in here nicely. Another zip here. Stick it in there. Zip this bit up. Right, that works quite well. Let's get a look at the phone. Right, there we go. There's the phone in the case. Hopefully there's not too much of a reflection from the lights, but that's how it looks there. And starting the bike, yeah, I can still see the speedometer there quite easily. And there we go. So I've got a bigger bit of storage now, so I'll maybe get a couple of bottles of water in there, or a can of juice, and is that a rip in it? Oh dear, what's that? Oh, right, that is what it is. I've got a little hole here on the back. Will that go in there? Yeah, that's what that is. That's a hole for a USB. Oh, perfect. There we go. I can stick a USB charger in there to charge your phone. Happy days. Right, there we go. So that's the Oxford tank bag, and that should do the job just nicely. So there we go. I'll see how I get on with that, and if I've got anything to report, good or bad, I'll be sure to let you know. So yeah, maybe I should have had this when I was on tour. Hey ho. Anyway, if you've made it this far, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye for now.